bheit clúiche san cóig uair na híide agus bheit dal seachat mar sin. Sinna seo san linne bháin, díadach clói agus ceol fat na húne.
Apparently recently he was playing at a dance and he picked up his accordion and he was wearing his kilt and he put it on his knee and he pulled it back towards him and he was unaware that the strap of the accordion had clicked over the front of his kilt and drew it back, and his manhood, yes, was visible to all during the Highland Scottish, and of course he was tapping his foot and it's going back and forward. And this nice old lady decided that she would lean up onto the stage and let Fergie know what was happening. And she leant up, she says, "Fergie, do you know your willy's hanging out?" Fergie said, "No, is it a Phil Cunningham tune?"
Fuse Fergie va Fergie brún mi in Fergie, maar character eile.
Fergie is number 1, Rihanna is number 2 in the world music charts, and it was just brilliant.
Both the knee and shouted, "I'm the boss!"
Ha na cúnach an Fergie akin. Ha Fergie coverin.